I'm 17, bro, and I made like 50K GMP in first month doing affiliate. Pepe literally told me everything that I have to do, everything, and that's all I did. And with that stuff, I went viral and I make money.
And it's all purely with AI. You didn't show your face. It's all using AI, correct?
all using AI, like
It's crazy that it works so fast. How much profit is that?
close to 10K. I don't really know exactly because there's like some problems, and I also have some accounts out there. And when you're doing AI, you need to have like a lot of accounts.
Wow. Okay. So you made round about $10,000 in profit in the first month.
Yes, like I joined, like first call with Pepe was like on 14th of July.
It's insane how fast things go. Maybe you can walk me down like the differences of organic versus this. What is different about it?
Like when you start with affiliate, they give you like a product and they literally tell you what to do and what not to do. With dropshipping, you also have to record stuff. You have to like record with the product, and you cannot be like in the fucking computer all the time. Like you wake up and you stay in the computer and that's all you do.
And in terms of like virality, what differences have you seen? I mean, you've been doing dropshipping before that. Like, walk me through if it's easier or harder to go viral, if it's easier and harder to convert more. Like, walk me through those differences.
When you start, it's like really easy to go viral, and also like it's sometimes depend on the account, because if you have like a bad account, it won't never go viral. But it's really easy to go viral. Like for example, my brother is starting to do TikTok shop, and because he's just doing what I tell him, and he's starting to go viral, and he have never gone viral again like before. It's even easier to go viral with TikTok shop, and you also go viral with a fucking car button that gives you more money, like than dropshipping.
I think also the difference here is we are able to give you so much more detailed instructions here, especially with AI content. We can give you the prompts, we can give you the very specific styles, we can tell you exactly what to do. And with organic, it's more of a, okay, here's how you make good content, but you're still gonna have to make the good content. With AI, just the same text with a few variables, and that's
Yeah, and that's also crazy because like Pepe literally told me everything that I have to do, everything, and that's all I did. And with that stuff, I went viral and I make money. And with dropshipping, you need to fucking put your mind and also make stuff. But for example, I'm selling in Spain, like Europe, and that's even easier than USA because you can literally just copy stuff from USA, put it in Spain, and it will go viral and make you money. Because in Spain, it hasn't been like replicated or made.
and maybe you can share the dashboard so we can actually see that the whole thing is real.
One phone with some accounts is here, but I can show you a few. I can show you like one account that I'm currently. This is an account that I just like started like last 2 weeks, something like that. About some Pepe. Right now, yeah. Last 7 days, but in Spain is quite less converted. But this is one account, so when you do AI, you want to have like a lot of accounts.
Yes, yeah. So maybe in the editing we can add about all the accounts.
Yeah.
Okay, so total you made around 50K, around 10K profit. It's crazy that it works so fast. What I've seen is you did dropshipping before and you tried your best with organic and you had some success here and there, but it wasn't insane. What I've seen is that people who are in the trenches of organic and you're actually in there filming and doing it all, for them, this is the easiest shit ever. Like you just, it's like such a relief. You don't have to go outside, you don't have to film, you don't have to do anything. It's literally just prompting, posting, and that's it. We give you products, we connect you with the brands, we do everything. I kept saying over the last like month or two on YouTube how easy it is for organic guys to transition to this, and it's true. But I want to make one thing clear. I think I spoke too much to people who already did organic. And if you're starting from scratch at zero, just starting something like this, which is a business, is not that easy. Like you have to actually put in the work. You have to sit there and prompt everything. And in comparison to this other business, it's easy. In comparison to not running a business and just going to a job, it's hard. I wanted to make that very, very clear that I'm not saying that it's generally easy. If you actually are already used to putting in a lot of hours and a lot of work, it's not that big of a deal.
You just need like discipline. My brother, he's like a few years older than me. He's like 25, something like that. And he just don't know a lot about recording and stuff, but he's doing talking heads. He's not AI. And he's started to make money, which is something crazy because like with dropshipping, you won't start making money until like a few months or something. And with you have the best product of the world, you want to start making money until like a few months later.
What was the most important piece of advice you've gotten from the team so far?
They give me the scripts, and I don't really have to create new scripts. I just have to copy what it works in USA and bring it here, which is something that maybe even with dropshipping won't work.
Especially in Europe, TikTok Shop is crazy. Like it's such a untapped thing. You can literally just take videos from the US and change a few things and just put it onto Spain and it works. And this is how we run it in the program in general, is we have a really good overview over the market. And you have to understand that every single week there's a new trend, a new thing, a new style, a new type of content, which you have to be on top of to even be able to compete with the other videos. And TikTok Shop, it's a very fast-paced environment. Like I can give you an advice today, and in 2 weeks it's already over. Like in 2 weeks, it doesn't work anymore because the AI styles are different now. It's very, very, very fast. So what we basically do in the program is we give you different good content which is working right now every single week, and we make sure that you're on top of the market and you actually have an overview of what's doing good, because it's not enough to just have one style which works and then leave it at that. You actually have to be on top of it.
Yeah, and that's crazy because like Pepe have an overview of like 100 fucking accounts every week, and he knows exactly what works. So like for example, last one there was a pre-hook that was working, and right now Pepe said, guys, stop working with this pre-hook because it stopped working literally like 5 days ago, and now we started with another pre-hook that is working, and now that's in what we are focusing on. Pepe have an overview of everyone. Like you cannot compete in like people that are in this mentorship because you don't have like it's 100 people against you literally because they know what's working because they see. If just one person see a fucking content that is good, we are doing it because also it fucking works. Like with only one content, you can everybody can eat. Huh?
That's the cool part. And like in dropshipping, we were not able to do that because things are saturated so fast. If you make something work and we tell everyone, then we fuck you over. But here, like you do something well and we tell everyone, it still works for everyone. This is the crazy thing about TikTok Shop. And this is why like the information spreads so fast, and we just keep you on top of it. And what you're saying is these pre-hooks. There's a specific thing which works really well, like a specific type of pre-hook, which did really well last week. And then they just stopped working this week. And then it's like, oh, use this new one. It's much better. This one doesn't work anymore. And this is something which is not like possible to understand by yourself. Did you tell your parents about all of this?
My man knows more or less how much money I made. Also my dad.
How did they react when you told them?
And like he didn't expect that amount of money, and she always believed in me.
What's the plan from here? Like you made 50K revenue, 10K profit first month. What's the plan?
I think maybe scaling, but I think I need to like keep making more money and start making more money even in US because I'm starting right now in US and stuff. Like the plan is making money, obviously. And I have a few goals. One of them is I want to go Bali to work there. Cheap is a cheap place, like Bali from Indonesia. Literally just to work there, but at least be there. I know that I have to make more money to be there, and that's one of my goals to start the next year in that place.
Actually, very realistic, by the way. You have another like 5 months or so in the year. I think in the next 5 months you can save enough money to actually have such a big like safety net that it's not going to be a problem at all to move out. I think it's very realistic if you just keep doing what you're doing and try your best to scale in volume, like you need to push your brother to do as much as he can. You need to do yourself as much as you can. And then once you actually figure out how to cap yourself and your brother, you will have to hire a few people who are going to start doing videos for you. That's how I would generally approach it. Looking back on it, when you first heard about TikTok Shop Affiliate, what did you think? Like, did you want to transition? Were you like skeptical of it, or what was going through your?
When I heard like first time about TikTok Shop, I thought like every other fucking person, like I want to be an enterprise and I want to have my own business, but you first need money to do a business, so you can't really do or like go for TikTok Shop for seller. That's what I tried also, but you don't have like a stock. I tried like for a few days and then I say, okay, I need a stock. Like I can't really do this. First, William told me to change to affiliate. That's what he told me. And instantly when he told me, I said, okay, let's get an account at least and I start trying while I keep with the pros that I have from dropshipping. And then that account went really, really viral. Like literally people from US was seeing that account. Yeah. And that's what like my main account, which made me like 3-4K in profit, which is like quite crazy for Spain because probably I made like 10 to 20 million views in that account, and maybe that much.
Maybe let's go a little bit more specific into your content strategy. Which content types and what strategy are you following right now to make these like viral bangers?
I'm quite focused in the brands from Pepe, which is like my mentor. My goal is to keep making money in USA and good views in USA. And when I see that, because I currently make views, but in Spain, not in USA. In USA, it's very difficult, and you can copy videos and get viral. but it's really way harder.
For you, do you feel different now since like you actually started making 10K profit the first month? Like, do you feel different? Is it everything the same? What changed?
What changes because, for example, my man like goes away like too much time and he goes on vacation and stuff, and he stay like he can be like 2 months out. And what I do is like just buy Uber Eats and just buy food instead of making food. That's pretty much all what changed.
To be honest, that's the biggest change ever. I remember the same thing. Like till this day, if I would have to pick one thing, not having to cook is the number one thing. Bro, if you could summarize how the program works to a person who's not in the program, what would you tell to them?
Well, first you come into the program, they give you like a group chat where you can ask mentors, like there's a lot of mentors in there. So, and then you can literally just ask about questions. You have calls, which it's perfect. Like having, if you don't have like one-on-one calls, if you have a mentorship where you don't have one-on-one calls, like that's not a mentorship, that's fucking trust. You literally show them your videos and they tell you, this is fucking shit, you stop doing this or change it, and they tell you what kinds of stuff you're doing well and how can you focus on it.
It's two components. It's having one-on-one access, which is super important, but then you also have to have one-on-one access with a person who actually is on top of the space and know what they're doing. If you just have a one-on-one call with some random guy, it's also not going to help. And the point is that we have both. You have one-on-one calls every single week, multiple times a week, with actual experts who look over everything you do, and they just like give you very, very detailed, specific advice. Okay, this hook does not work anymore. Change it to this hook. Here's the word by word hook you have to use for the product, which I already gave you, with the already connected you with, just to do this, and it will work. Then it works.
It's quite crazy also for these mentors. I don't really think that is even possible. Like TikTok shop started going fucking viral, and in less than a few like months or weeks, you have people that make millions with TikTok shop teaching in the mentorship.
Yes, yes,
Giving like group codes.
Exactly. Like you saw the whole transition we have with organic. You saw when we started with TikTok Shop. It was basically a few months ago. You know, like we have so many case studies already instantly because it's so cracked. It's actually so good. The best part about it is, like I keep repeating it, but it actually is the best part about it, is we are not capped anymore at giving out information. We can give you all the sauce. Like we can tell you exactly the specifics. We can give you product. We can do it all because it does not get saturated. Like we can have 100 people doing the same exact thing for a full week and then keep working. And the next week, we just tell you the next thing and it keeps working again.
When I see the video YouTube like of you saying how to make the videos that we were making, I got like, bro, fire. Why he saw the video? Like I don't want people to do it. Like literally.
Yes, yeah, bro. It's a lot of sauce.
Like, that video is literally, bro. That's how I make money. Like why is he doing exactly what I do?
Yes. No, but in the end of the day, it's not about like the click by click thing, but it's being on top of the market. Like people who are just going to watch the video, they're going to be able to follow that format, but they're not going to be able to actually make the right type of content. So it's not a big deal.
Yeah. Because there's also like a lot of bans in TikTok, and here they teach you how to avoid those bans, and they teach you what type of stuff you can do because you're gonna get like your account banned instantly, and they also give you accounts, which is also like one of the really important stuff. If you don't have like accounts, you can obviously don't do anything, and that's bigger supplies of accounts. Like here, this is crazy.
It's hard. Like right now, like getting accounts in general is super tough if you don't have a good connection. This is what we do in the program. We look over everything you do and we make sure that you actually make money with AI TikTok Shop affiliate. And it's all purely with AI. You didn't show your face. It's all using AI, correct?
Yeah. All using AI. Like,
all using AI.
I don't also like my friends think that I all the fucking time playing video games because I don't leave my home, so they don't know exactly what I'm doing.
This is what we do. If you're interested in joining the program as well, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit. Bro, you can actually be proud of yourself. You're 17, crushing it. 10K in the first month of doing this is insane. Let's do another case study when you're at 100K profit, and then we can help there. Hopefully from Bali.
Yeah, from Bali. I'll try.